mbfx timing indicator shows micro trends. The green color represents a bullish trend, the orange color represents a bearish trend, and the yellow color is a transitional period. The mbfx timing indicator is a powerful and helpful tool in MetaTrader that allows traders to gain insight into the timing of their trades and make better informed decisions. This indicator is based on the moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which tracks the difference between two moving averages. Combining this information with oscillator signals, the mbfx timing indicator helps traders determine when to enter or exit a trade. The mbfx timing indicator works by displaying multiple time frames on one chart. This allows traders to see a currency pair's short-term and long-term trends at once. By doing so, they can quickly identify their trade's potential entry and exit points. In addition, this indicator also shows whether there are any divergence points between the two timeframes. This indicates when there may be an opportunity to enter or exit a trade before it reaches its target level. For instance, momentum has shifted upwards if the MACD line is below zero but crosses above it during a specific period. It could be an excellent entry point for a particular trade. Similarly, if the MACD line is above zero but then crosses below it during a specific period, this may indicate that momentum has shifted downwards and could be an excellent exit point for a particular trade. The mbfx timing indicator can help traders analyze these signals more effectively and make faster trading decisions. How does mbfx indicator work in MT4? mbfx indicator uses three colors to indicate trend and range: green, orange, yellow. You can also modify colors in the settings of the MT4 indicator. The green color is used to represent the bullish trend. It means the price will go up when mbfx oscillator will turn green. The orange color indicates the bearish trend of price. Price will go down when the indicator will turn to orange color. The yellow color indicates a ranging market structure. You should avoid trading during yellow color and wait for the indicator to show a sell or buy signal. Also, learn about the Forex Millennium Indicator mbfx signals. mbfx indicator includes a complete trading system. It uses mathematical formulae to generate buy or sell signals. Buy signal when mbfx oscillator line will turn green, then place a buy order instantly. Keep on holding the trade until color changes. Close the trade when the color changes from green to yellow or orange. Sell signal, place a sell instantly when the oscillator line turns orange. Hold the sell trade until color changes from orange to green or yellow. Avoid trading, close all the running trades when the oscillator line turns yellow. This color indicates the retracement period. Wait for a green or orange color to open a new order. The mbfx timing indicator is a developed algorithm that is used for trend trading. It performs its calculations, after which it signals the presence or absence of the current trend and its strength, after determining which, a trade can be opened in its direction. While this algorithm can be suitable for determining whether the market is in the oversold or overbought zone, the mbfx timing indicator is presented in the lower window of the price chart as a solid line, which, depending on the current market conditions, is painted in a certain color and is located above or below its signal levels. And thus, when a certain combination of line conditions is received, the current trend is determined and a position is opened in its direction. However, if there is no trend, positions are not opened at all. The mbfx timing indicator works equally effectively on any time frames, with any currency pairs, so any values can be chosen. The mbfx Forex timing indicator for MT4, MetaTrader 4, is a trend-following trading tool that delivers easy-to-follow buy and sell signals. The indicator pops up in a separate MT4 chart window in the form of a yellow and red colored signal line. Buy and sell signals: open a buy trade as soon as the indicator starts drawing the green signal line. Open a sell trade as soon as the indicator starts drawing the yellow signal line. The mbfx Forex timing indicator can be used for trade entries and exits or as an additional trend filter for other strategies and systems. The indicator works equally well on all currency pairs, majors, minors and exotic, and shows promising results if used correctly. The mbfx timing indicator also